Now that you've created your accounts on Ceviant, the next thing you will need to do is connect them. This will help you enjoy the 360 treasury management experience that Ceviant has to offer by giving you full control over your funds and online transactions. That's why it's very important that you do this, and don't worry, it'll only take less than a minute. Now, to start, you will want to go back to the Add New Account section on your dashboard. You can get there through the Active Accounts box or the shortcut menu over here. Once you click that, you will be redirected to this page where you'll see the option to connect an account. Go ahead and click that, select your country, and choose from the registered banks listed below. Now, as you can see, there are a lot of banks on this page. That's because you can also connect non-Ceviant accounts to your dashboard. This will help you quickly access and easily manage all bank accounts associated with your company. Just select the banks that are relevant to you and click Connect Accounts. You will instantly see a pop-up message to schedule a call with a Ceviant representative who will assist you with the rest of the process. So just type in the requested information, so your company's email address, your company name, we're going to go with demo company for now, and then your phone number. Now just click on the submit button and congratulations, your call has been scheduled and you'll receive an email shortly.